Hi everyone, Paul from the Barbecue Guy. So I just want to have a bit of a chat to you about Grillgrate griddles, which are an awesome new product that have just landed in Australia. So here's the griddle there. So it's a piece of aluminium basically. It's got two uses. One is it can sit on top there if you want to cook eggs, onions. Works really well on seafood, scallops, octopus, anything like that you want to maintain the juices in it. You can just cook it straight onto a griddle. The other thing is you can put it on top of your grill grates. So here's our other half of our grill grate set. We have that sitting in there, and then say we want to use griddles, we still want to use half of it. We have that sitting on top like that, and then on that side we can have our steak, our burgers. So you want to cook steak, surf and turf, you can have your steak on this side, and on this side you can have your seafood or onions or eggs or whatever you like. You can still utilise this, the giant fork for griddles, or you can actually use them. You can use just a normal spatula. They're available on my website in a couple of different sizes. We're working on some more sizes. I've just got two sizes at the moment, the 16.25 and the 17. Yeah, that's pretty much griddles. They're amazing. I cooked on them last week. Done like a mixed grill on them, done some eggs and some bacon, and I got really good results. I was really happy with the results, and I just thought I'd show you guys some of the new products that I've been working hard to get in, and griddles is one of those. So righto guys, have a great day, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks very much.